Very fine.
Our group name is Captivator and our topic is food chain. We have chosen this topic because food chain plays an important role in our environment.
Food chain is a sequence of transport, manage and maintain the flow of food from organisms to organisms.
Thank you.
We have taken this topic because water is the most important thing in our life.
And by this topic, we are going these are our topics. Third is the precipitation. When the water gathers into the cloud does not go up, it becomes heavy and also the level of the water flows to the river and goes back in the ocean and then
Necessity of the life. Food is essential for growth and various life processes. Our daily diet includes vegetables, fruit, leftovers, pulses, vegetables, but not in mind there is white dining mixed with rice. For example, yellow color, tiny stone, papaya seeds, leaves with orange color, rice with white dining. To determine if geometry with adulterated with and along with some water. Take some drop of oxygen.
Which color it will do? Shake. Which color it will do?
When milk is done into milk, it is adulterated.
Let us check which milk we have taken. It is adulterated or not. It is adulterated or not.
So you're using pure milk.
Yes, now next is this one will be adding. We'll be adding water into this area.
Just now you have prepared that or you have prepared the same line. If you have prepared, then you can show some slides are also there, you can show this one. And so you should prepare the
We should not eat garlic. We should eat. Why we should eat?
It is visible.
Protein. Yes.
What is visible there? What it is.
Very good. Green vegetable protect us from the diseases. Wonderful.
We are team of Indians. We are studying class 2. We are reviewing the knowledge and our topic is the balance. I am Sani Pandey. I am in chemistry. I am my what is balance? Balance and
कंस्ट्रक्शन क्रिया के साथ प्रेजेंट करना ये नेचुरल बच्चे के लिए अच्छी कल्चरल में भी जाना
The main part of skeletal systems are called osseous. Backbone support our entire body and it is important center.
आपको बस एक बता दो कि ये हड्डी क्या करता है, पूरे शरीर को क्या करता है?
Sir, support.
वेरी गुड सर इज आल्सो अ डॉक्टर
कंप्यूटर से हेलो, आजकल देसी का है भाई सब कुछ शॉर्ट में बोलो।
वी आर फाइन
Today we are going to tell about
थोड़ा मिनट हाँ आना
which data and are gamepad. It is a gamepad. It is an input device. It is used to play game in computer.
वेरी गुड ओके
Morning, sir. How are you? Today I am going to tell you about art device. It is device which
और मुझको
display
पढ़ाना है इनको नहीं
सर बढ़ाओ
आज मुझको पढ़ाना
is device which
स्टार्ट
चलो कोई बात
स्टार्ट
स्टार्ट
is device which display the proceed data. Speak loudly, Vita. Device. Monitor. This is a monitor. It is an audio device. It displays the information on the screen. Speak loudly.
ग्रेट वेरी गुड यू आर स्मार्ट वेरी गुड
I am
ये बच्चे बता रहे कैसे कोई डेटा इनपुट इस तरह से प्रोसेस आउटपुट होता है, रोटेट करना पड़ता है।
Sir, please
घुमाइए
contact this
घुमाइए कोई रोटेट करना। ओके यस, सो दिस इज washing clothes. Yes, so these are dirty clothes. Yes.
First we put dirty clothes in the box, then the process of washing.
Let's put it in the washing machine. Yes.
The clean clothes in the box.
Very good. So like data is also transferred, right? Data is entered, it is processed, and it is out.
Gmail account. Having a Gmail account is all the sign-up process for many software app websites. Create your Gmail account first. Type Gmail account.
Then click on your create your Google account.
The sign up form will appear. Type the password and password will contact.
On the next page, you fill your phone number, date of birth, and you will receive a message from Google on your phone.
Enter the verification code and
Congratulations, your Gmail account has been created.
Very good, very good, very good.
the student of class 9 today I am going to tell you about the CCS. CCS is the coding and computational skill. CCS is the integrating part of the coding and it is a computational skill. CCS is the programming scan of the CCS book that is covered for important skills for learning specify learn of the terms from each unit they be found at the short start of the each unit. There are various activity and computational things that is covered from visualizations and skills from desktop
तो
learn
CCS एज सब्जेक्ट है, ये बच्चे इसमें पढ़ रहे हैं, तो बच्चों को कोडिंग, पाइथन, MIT, स्क्रैच, जूनियर स्प्रेडशीट, ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट टाइम इन स्कूल हम वर्क पर बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं।
Class 4. Hello sir, my name is Pradesh Rastogi, student of class 6. Today me and my team is going to explain you about some main parts of computer. First I will tell you.
सर एक्सप्लेन सर।
First I will tell you the form of computer. C, commonly co-operated M machines, E technology, E education and R research. It is arranged from monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU and UPS. Monitor is an electronic output device that is used to show us images and pictures, and it is also known as video terminal. Now my part is over. Now the next part is going to be my part. I will tell you the definition of the CPU. I will tell you CPU for central processing unit. CPU works like the brain of computer and its working input data stored and output result. Now I will tell you about UPS. UPS is controllable power supply that is on a computer. Thank you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Upper class people lived in Citadel and the lower class people lived in Lower Town. A great bath has been found in Citadel. It was a rectangular tank surrounded by corridors. There were rooms on one side of the tank. Remain of the large warehouse has also been found at Citadel. By 1800 BC, most of the Harappan site has destroyed. Thank you.
टीचर्स लेसन प्लान में टैब में है और टैब पे
Our group name is the Start Class. Our group will explain about process of life and language. It is also known as the crisis. These are its understanding crisis because it was developed from the industries of the land now in Pakistan. Now the earth is always spinning around the sun. From where you stand on the earth, we can see the sun. The part of the earth where you are facing away from the sun. So it is that it takes 24 hours for earth to spin all the way around. And because the sun rotates, one of the reflections from behind the earth is increased and separates the earth in the west. The time when you see this, the variety of the length of time between sunrise and sunset because this as a daytime. The earth is around on a windy land that runs from the north to the south. The side is scattered is backward side and east. This may not be there. So we get day and night because the earth moves on an imaginary land called an ancestral land that's been found. Moving the land is known as Harappan site. On that time, the upper class people in Syria and the lower class lived in the We are team of Uttar Pradesh and our student of Satyam Public School. We are going to present our Himara Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. I am state in India. It is the fourth largest state according to the income. It was established in 1950. Its full name was the United Kingdom. The capital of UAE was Lucknow. It is named Kashmir and we call this its capital is behind the state is bordered by 9 states. The time is called sunset. The length of time between sunrise and sunset is called late. The earth is bent on an imaginary line that runs from the north pole to the south pole. The side faces the sun, but in the right angle always as a day. So we get day and night because the earth rotates on an imaginary line called an axis.
Thank you. Very good.
सिंबल ऑफ उत्तर
मेन में जो
प्रदेश
चीज़ें हैं
फ्रॉम डियर भारत का स्टेट फूड एंड हॉकी
Famous monuments of Uttar Pradesh. Ram Janmabhoomi Temple, Gorakhnath Temple, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Buland Darwaza, Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple, Taj Mahal, Ashoka Pillar.
I am going to tell some famous personalities from UP. First, some great poets of Uttar Pradesh: Kabir Das, Surdas, Ravi Das, Surdas, Tulsi Das, Bharatendu Harish Chand, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, etc. Some great leaders from Uttar Pradesh are Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mirza Walid, etc. Some great players are Major Dhyan Chand, Mohammad Khaif, K.D. Singh, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, etc. Some superstars names are Najimuddin Shah, Amitabh Bachchan, Anushka Sharma, Rajpal Yadav. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Rice, cotton, rice. Uttar Pradesh is second. Yamuna, Saraswati River and Pragya,
सबको उत्तर प्रदेश को उत्तर प्रदेश बनाना है पूरे बच्चे को
Gandhok and the survived tributaries of Yamuna, like Bengal, Bedwas and Kerala. Thank you.
Pitha, wooden toys of Chitra, Mathura Pakula, Rozavati Churia, Sarnath Kapoor.
वेरी गुड
प्रतापगढ़ का आंवला, बनारस की साड़ी, गोरखपुर का टेराकोटा, मऊ के वस्त्र उत्पाद.
बहुत बढ़िया
Thank you for visiting us. Please support us to make our Uttar Pradesh to Uttam Pradesh. Please use paper bags instead of plastic bags.
यूज दिस पेपर बैग इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड
वेरी गुड
Hello sir, how are you? I started as Deva's beauty culture in Thailand. They mainly live in Iceland, and Maharashtra. Now this is a Assam tribe and has aggressive tribes to North-Eastern Iceland and
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड
This is Ayushi from class 7 and and I am going to explain about different landforms in India. This is ocean. It is body of salty water that's contained in enormous on Earth's surface. This is island and it is a mass of land surrounded by water and it is smaller than continent. This is jungle and jungle is a
covered by dense forest and tangled vegetation, usually in tropical climate. This is plains, and plains are flat surface on earth with little or change in elevation. Plains are one of the major landforms or types of land on earth's surface. This is desert, and deserts are barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurring, living condition, home for plants and animals like etc. This is mountains. Mountains are generally known as larger than hills. It lengths 100 km of wide and 100 to 1000 km of long. This is hills. Hills are generally known as smaller than mountains. It looks like a rock on Earth's surface. This is volcano. It is a opening part of Earth crust through which lava, ash and gases erupt. This is river, and rivers are wide, deep and shallow enough for a person to wade across. It flows downside of hills in the force of gravity. Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Well done.
Very much well done. Very good. टीचर जिस तरह पढ़ाते हैं टीचर्स क्लास में
And today we will learn about scratch union. So what is the scratch union? Scratch union move to make our character move, jump, dance and swing. So in this there are 6 programming languages. The first is motion block, the second is triggering block, third is ring block, 4th sound block, 5 control block and 6 is looks block. So let's see what are the motion blocks and how many blocks are there in motion blocks. There are 8 types of motion blocks. The first block is move right. When we use this move right block, the character will move to its right side by only 1 grid square. We can increase the number of their motion by increasing the number here. We can increase the number so the step of the character will increase. The second is move left. If you use this block for the character will move to its left side. The third one is move up. If you use this block for our character will go upside as the number we mention here. Now the fourth one is move down. If you use this block, the character will move down. Now let's see how this motion will work to our character. Now you can see the character are here and the motion blocks are here. Now the motion, if we press the motion blocks, the character will perform the function of this motion block. The first one is move right. If I press move right, the character will go to its right side. Now the second is move left. If I press move left, the character will move to its left side. See, the character will move to its left side. The third one is move up. If I press move up, the character will go to upside. See, the character will move to its upside. Now the fourth one is move down. If I press move down, the character will go to downside. See. Now there are 4 more blocks in motion blocks. Okay, thank you.
ये कोडिंग कैसे बच्चों को सिखाना है जो क्लास में इंग्लिश कैसे
Class teacher, I am going to address about this new curriculum through which we are following this lead, how it is going to be a very smart class. So with this smart curriculum, through which smart criteria, we are talking about every kind of things, whatever it is mentioned in our SST. And as we people know, like we people were studying with our subject, this kind of SST, we were learning all those things with our books only. But this is the smart class through which people can easily learn everything which has been mentioned as in lead curriculum. So this is a very good approach which has been taken by the school, as added this kind of lead program in our school so that the students will learn everything in our this smart class. So I am going to tell you about how I used to teach my student as SST. This is the history topic, as we said that the people used to learn जो भी आर्कियोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स हैं, रिसर्च हैं, आज तक हुए हैं, हमारे मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट, हमारे इंस्क्रिप्ट, हमारे हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ें जो हमारे बुक्स में मेंशन है, हम उन चीज़ों की से हम अपनी हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ों को जानने की कोशिश करें। तो नाउ वी विल गेट टू लर्न अबाउट द व्हाट बुक्स एंड म्यूरल्स टेल्स अस, मीन्स हमारे बुक्स एंड हमारे आर्कियोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स जो हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में क्या बताता है। दैट इज द टॉपिक द वैदिक एज. So we will get to learn about the Vedic age. If I'll teach this Vedic age topic in my class, I'll get to introduce the students about the Vedic age. उसके पहले के भी मैं उनको टाइमलाइन में ट्रैवल कराऊंगी. Like मैं उनको 2000 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो पहले लेकर जाना चाहूँगी, जब हम ह्यूमंस एक हंटर एंड गैदरर्स हुआ करते थे. क्योंकि हम वहाँ से वो टाइमलाइन ट्रैवल करेंगे तो हम जानेंगे कि हम ह्यूमंस कैसे कैसे धीरे धीरे डेवलप हुए. तो हम इस एरा में आकर पहुँचे जहाँ पे we humans started establishing ourselves. So with this Vedic period, if we will go with the timeline, the student will see this timeline. That timeline will get learned by the students very easily. क्योंकि dates easily these are been mentioned there. क्या dates के incidents हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से mentioned है. So they will get to know about the 2 million, around 2 million years ago, what they were. So they were actually as a hunter and gatherers. जहाँ पे they were hunting, they were gathering. There were no settled life of as a human. So after that, they had traveled to farmers and herders around after 6000 BCE. Then they came into the Vedic era. That is 1500 BCE. जहाँ से हमारा Vedic age शुरू होता है. और that Vedic age been categorized in between two parts: the early Vedic age and the later Vedic age. तो फ्रॉम 1500 BCE to 500 BCE हम अपने वैदिक एज में ट्रैवल करते हैं, जो कि हमारा पहला एक अर्ली वैदिक एज है. देन सेकेंड इज द लेटर वैदिक एज. तो दैट द स्टूडेंट विल गेट टू लर्न ऑल दो स्टफ फ्रॉम द टाइमलाइन. और जब ये पुराने टाइमलाइन में ट्रैवल करते हैं तो चैप्टर 1 से उनका रिविजन भी हो जाता है. दैट इज बिकॉज क्लास 6 फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज अबाउट द हंटर एंड गैदरर्स. तो व्हेन दे आर लर्निंग अबाउट द 6th chapter, but with this timeline they have traveled to first chapter also and around that 2000 BC, that era also. So this is the whole circle. They used to revise their chapters with all those chapters because all those chapters are interlinked. They are interconnected. So this is the thing which I used to mention as in my class with this slide. अब ये topic, when the topic will get end, we will get to know about the questions which have been given. Because पढ़ाने के बाद that is the most important thing कि we used to check the understanding of the student. हमने पढ़ा तो दिया, अब we have to know कि students को वो समझ कितना आ रहा है. तो for their understanding, that is the most important and the most beautiful thing has been given in the CRL with this method, lead curriculum, that with every CRL they have given the check for understanding corner, where the student they used to know कि हाँ अब मैं directly I used to ask this question to the students. जहाँ पे मैं उनसे question करती हूँ, I used to give them 30 seconds. मैं 30 seconds तो नहीं देती, to be honest मैं 15 seconds ही देती हूँ. So that because I am having my limited time period in the subject in my period also. मैं 30 minutes because I used to see every student in my class. So that question I used to ask to them, and after that question पूछने के बाद I used to give them the answers quickly also there. Most of the students they used to give me answers also because they are very good in history. In my class, especially in 6th and 8th, they are very good in history. They used to learn history very easily. So they used to give me the answers also. This is the most beautiful thing has been given in the every CR of this lead curriculum. Apart from this, we will get to know our video sections. Means for the every topic, CRL is also given and kind of videos are also given. As we can see, there are many advanced technique, there are many advanced method are being came into the market where we used to see the videos. जिससे हमारा easily होता है.
In the previous unit, we saw that we can learn about history from two main sources. Do you remember what these were? Yes, literary sources and archaeological sources. Today, we will talk about one of the oldest literary sources available to us, the Vedas. We know that the Vedas are a set of ancient manuscripts that included 4 main texts: the Rig Veda, the Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. They are an important source of information of the Vedic period. The oldest of these is the Rig Veda. Historians believe that the Rig Veda was composed about 3,500 years ago in 1500 BCE. The Rig Veda.
That is the thing, sir, that through this slide we used to explain every topic to the students. This is the very easiest method because students get to learn everything. Thank you, sir.
बच्चों का भी ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग कोशिश करते
नहीं, इतिहास तो
clear कैसे करना
शुरू ही वहीं से होगा।
कि चीज़ बच्चों को सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है कि बच्चों को
देखो दो चीज, बोलना और कंसेप्शन एक्सप्रेशन बढ़िया उसका आएगा। वो नीचे वाली लड़की क्या पता क्या शौक है या मुझे लगी थी क्लियर है।
सर कैसा लगा आपको?
टीम बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रांगली पूरा टीम वर्क है।
कोई भी काम
टीचर्स भी हमारे बहुत अच्छे हैं।